Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Market today green, and I want to talk about 1 inch potential targets for this run and what we can expect this August and the upcoming autumn. Let's dive in. Right, guys. So all market bounced, but I don't think so. This is the main bounce. So what we should wait from the markets because anyway. A lot of tokens on a weekly time frame still down, so people too much react emotionally when we bounce it. They forgot the previous dumps and open too much longs, so probably the main longs will be liquidated again because I think in the next few weeks, maybe this week and the next one, we'll see another drop on the BTC. I can be absolutely wrong, I'm not touch any positions for any tokens because I'm waiting the release and the speech of Donald Trump, I guess after August 8th. So what he gonna say about the Russia, it's definitely will affect the markets. And this now the time we're better maybe try to find some position for the spot, maybe add some alerts, limit orders, and just wait. If you trade intraday, of course, you can wait. Globally, monthly, we still green, Pango, top performer. Token, I never heard about it. Meme Core, I never heard about it. So Conflux, pump it good. Like you can see, there is no 1 inch. That's why I think we get a chance to see the main targets for 1 inch. And it will be the top of the top for 1 inch. It's like $4, $4.82, $5.54. This idea, guys, I share with you in October 2023. Absolutely still relevant. Nothing changes. And we're still inside accumulation block. So this is 27 zone, 68 cents and 1386. So this is a global accumulation zone, what I shared with you before, almost 2 years ago. We trade just in China consolidation. So nothing special. Highly recommend you if you want to find this post about 1 inch conservative price targets. And I'm going to track this idea because this is a global FIB from the top to the bottom. And I mark or 50% of this week candle. I don't remember what's exactly happened at that time in October 21, why we spike like this one and crash it down. But the main target is fixed position $5.54, $4.82. If we will see the major altcoin season, what I mean with a major altcoin season, it's BTC dominance under 50%. So if we drop under 50%, like 49, 45% BTC dominance, the liquidity can inflow into alts for speculation. And first trouble areas for 1 inch, of course, we need to out of this zone. Next one, it's test zero level like $1.77. Next one, monthly gap, $2.65 and $3.37. With the week candle, we can hit $4, $4.82, $5.54. If you believe in new all-time high, you can wait the new all-time highs, guys. So this is the idea still basically relevant. Now 93% tokens in circulation supply. So it's 1.4 billion tokens in circulation supply. Market capitalization, FDV, almost equal. So now the price, 25 cents, almost 26. There is no crazy, some seller pressure or so. Fundraising rounds was 1 cent and even 0.2065. That's why in 2020, that's why maybe in the future, in the next bear market, we will dump even to the 1 cent. We can't know. To the seed round prices, we can't know. I don't think so. We will drop these levels now, but also I don't believe that 1 inch will hit the new all-time high. So this is a total current supply. So if we hit the $4 price, it will be 5.6 billion market capitalization. I remind you, the all-time high of market capitalization being around 2 billion. So it means the $4, it will be like almost 3 times bigger market capitalization, like let's say, yes, like 4.8 or let's say $5, round number, 7 billion market capitalization, like 3 times bigger than its all-time high than it was before. I don't think so. The 1 inch gonna hit the all-time high because I don't see any reason why and based on what, even like a speculation, why we have to go over than $9, for example. So this is, by the way, the crypto, not from the Binance here at the December 20, not from the Binance global chart. That time, maybe if you track it, my idea, I mark these two levels, but I can't know the timing, when. So around here, I share with you the target. So let's go back to here. I mark the drop, this red one, and we go in by red scenario. So we dump it to 17 because I'm waiting to retest again the fundamental value on the weekly. It's not happening in May because I'm waiting in May. This should happen because sell in May and go away, but it happened basically in June. So 1 month lagging. After that, we bounce it exactly to 38 cents. So this basically idea playing out, but lagging in time. This drop, we sweep it. I don't think so. We're gonna drop under again under 14 cents now. So this is a target for the next bear market, like a target, this one. And now would be good to see the local drop. Weekly time frame 2282. It's a test of the buy line. It was a test and a drop on the fundamental value. Now I would like to see the test of the buy line 2275 on the weekly time frame. And also it will be the one here, the FIB. So the gap. We already passed the 0.5 followed by FIB. If we use the main one here, we can also with the week candle test like 21.63, 20 cents, 77. I don't think so. We're gonna drop to full fill like 19 cents, but it's possible. Daily time frame, the same story, guys. Here, the buy line now it's at this current moment it's 15.45, right? On the weekly buy line it's 22.73. That's why 22.73, 20 cents 77 more than real to see the test. Now we build the order flow. So every single bounce, we go and drop down, we going down. So I wish to see some curve up. The buy line on the daily, 20 cents. So this block it will be the comfortable, I guess, time to buy. If we will see some dump, flash crash to 15.35, even better. Even better. Now, no rush, guys, no rush, because the people wait parabolic reversal move on alts. I don't think so it will happen so fast. So buy line, like you can see, start curve up on the take profit indicator 12 time frame. Now it's 16.36. So you can add even alerts to this line and wait the target. So now better guys, no rush, because the drop even from this one, current prices to 20 cents, it's a minus 21% on the spot. So I don't think you need that losses, even temporary losses. If you accumulated before, guys, you can wait the main targets. You can wait the main targets. If we zoom out and take a look at the monthly here, this is also the gap on the monthly, like 338 to 266. So this one, maybe we're gonna stop at 339, also possible. It's hard to say now where we're gonna stop. So even it was 339, 340, this one is gonna be twice bigger market, almost over than twice bigger market capitalization than it was at previous all-time high. That's the point of the unlocks and all of this stuff, guys. If you check with my customer set now on the other time frames here, after retest on the weekly, this move, I'm wait something like this one in September and build an uptrend structure, upside move. Globally after that, it's gonna be looks like double bottom. The size of this double bottom will be over than zero level, over than $1.50, I guess. So it will be so bullish. Now we're just still in consolidation. Nothing special. I don't think so we're gonna drop to new all-time low, but be careful. Just be careful with the money management. Locally on a daily, here was the main signal to buy was in April. Sell, fixation profit, sell, drop, buy back, sell, sell. Now no new signal to fix profit or so. Nothing, guys. So better wait. Better sometimes wait not a confirmation. I don't like that. When people wait the confirmations because of only after the confirmation we should open position. No, just better wait your zones. Take a look, guys. ADZ direction. ADZ I can't show you because it's a global ticker. Here is a main accumulation money. So the whales fix a profit based on direction indicator on the daily. Now on the weekly, we accumulated. So globally, this showing us on the weekly. I use always the weekly time frame like investment zone. So weekly, 1 inch in accumulation phase, right? So with the main targets to sell. And time to sell, we never seen basically on this indicator on the history. So I think we'll be at the top and around $2. We will see the signals to sell. The same like here was on a daily. So now no signal to buy back. Recommended to use this set to determine the buyback zones. Here, this belief, the last one in June, pump, aphasia, drop. Need to wait another disbelief. Weekly capitulation, hope, disbelief. So wait a little bit lower, guys. If you feel comfortable at 25 cents 87 to buy now, but it's just the beginning of the August, of course you can buy now. I think we will see the lower price. Money inflow, guys, take a look. Weekly, it was a money inflow at 18 cents 14. We pump it to 38. So almost 100% profit for that guys who bought it here with the money inflow. This is how the whales invest and pump over than 100%, pump and dump with rough initial deposit. Now we over the middle line, but no money inflow. Need to wait the correction and money inflow again. Daily, step by step, some whales can trade intraday, local swing trades. So yes, we saw the money inflow here and pump it 10%. No new money inflow, guys. So just recommending no rush, just no rush, guys. Take a look at the liquidation heat map. This is a BTC. We need to track 1 inch on the Binance. 24-hour liquidation heat map. Like you can see, the main trigger is here 24.59. Above nothing. So main interest right under. Weekly time frame. Take a look. The coins bounce it, but still got a liquidation here, 24, 29. Under, of course, 23, these levels, more liquidation, of course, above, but we still not break the high of June, this one, 27.18. Monthly, I guess monthly liquidations will be also above, but anyway, no. Yes, on a monthly, it's 18 here. This is the great time, personally, by my personal opinion, it's perfect time dump to 18, even here. Grab all of this liquidity and skyrocket up by end of August in the first weeks of September. By holders, here you can track. So this guy, I don't know who this guy, he hold 17% of total emission. I don't think so. He's satisfied now with this current prices, but some of these guys can be one of that who accumulated on the seed rounds. So just be careful. So if we remove this one, Binance wallets with 7%, so 7 almost 8% supply hold it. This one 17, this 6. You can track this wallets, but I think that guys will sell higher. By end of this video, guys, I want to show you if you would like to invest, for example, in 1 inch now. We talk about conservative for retails like 1K. You want to invest 1K. Realistic gains, what you can expect, because people build some crazy gains because they dream about, oh, I need to invest now 1K. This stock can skyrocket. It's like crazy to new all-time high, because the all-time high like a trigger, for everyone. Now it's 25.94. You invest 1K out at $4. It will be the 14K, $420 profit. Possible, more conservative one, it's like $3, 10K, 500. Also 1000% gains. Yes, it's not a big gains, maybe for someone 1000% gains, but guys, everything depends of your initial size. So if you invest 10K at this current price and will sell step by step or wait that $3 price, you can get a like 100K. It's a big profit. It's a really, really big profit. That's why, guys, everything absolutely individual, up for you. But better, of course, reduce your size of position if you're not sure, because any token can dump at any moment. There is no safe haven for the tokens. So just build realistic targets for your tokens and mark some entry, mark some exit, and our step by step or wait that targets. Also, the safety strategy. It's out of the token after 100% profit. Guys, I highly recommend you use my indicator tab what I showed in this video. You just write me DM, you can get up to minus 20% discount for indicators. Subscribe channel and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.